Hi, I'm Jenny, and I'm the Vintage Recipe Hero, bringing you one retro recipe back to life every week that you can cook in your kitchens today. This week, we're going to make a ham and green noodle casserole from the Women's Day Encyclopedia of Cookery, published in 1966. What you'll need for this is you'll need sour cream, you'll need salted peanuts, you'll need fresh leftover ham if you have any, or canned ham if you're like me and you saw the price of Easter hams this year. Green noodles, if you can find them. I could only find a mixture of green, orange, and regular. Canned mushrooms, sharp cheddar cheese, olives, which they describe in the book as ripe olives. So I didn't really know what they meant. So I got these big plump green stuffed ones. I figured if they meant a Kalamata, they would have just said so. A can of cheddar cheese soup, which they don't sell everywhere. I found this one at Metro. Pepper and prepared mustard, a vintage favorite. If I was going to teach you how to make a very foolproof, delicious ham and noodle casserole, I probably wouldn't be using this recipe. If I was going to teach you how to make the most delicious ham and noodle casserole, I would probably say ditch these for fresh, sauteed in butter. And we would be making a bechamel instead of using this. We'd be using Dijon instead of this, fresh ham instead of this. And I'm not sure about the peanuts, maybe potato chips or fried onions would be better. And I'd probably exchange this for some chopped shallots and celery, something else that's kind of crunchy in there, because I think that this is going to come out being rather soft, palatable for the senior populations. Anyways, though, let's get a little taste of the past and let's get into it. Open the can of ham now. And if you watched my ham dip video, we all know how well that went last time. Wow, I don't understand. All right, moment of truth. Here is. Cheers. It's okay. Pasta is cooked perfectly. I really like the saltiness of the ham and the olives because otherwise this could almost use added salt. I would definitely double up on the pepper. When you open the oven and you take it out, you're just hit with the smell of the peanuts. And then that's the only thing that's kind of throwing me off in this actual dish. And I love peanuts. So if you also love peanuts, keep them in. If you hate peanuts or you're allergic, obviously don't put them in. But I would really give this a try. I'll definitely eat this. I'll definitely have fun giving this to my boyfriend. I'm not gonna tell him what's in it at all, just give it to him. And I hope you have fun making it and have fun tasting a 1966 ham and almost green noodle casserole. Cheers. I secretly kind of like canned mushrooms. The more I eat it, the more I really like it. Maybe it's one of those things. Yes, this is my breakfast.